I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for your business. Understanding this process is crucial for compliance and financial health. We will cover the fundamental steps, from identifying your business structure to submitting your final return. This guide aims to simplify the complexities, ensuring you feel confident and prepared. Let's dive into the essential information you need to successfully manage your business taxes. Your business structure dictates which tax forms you will use. Sole proprietors, for instance, typically report their income and expenses on Schedule C. Partnerships, on the other hand, file Form 1065 and issue K-1 forms to their partners. Corporations generally use Form 1120, while S-corporations file Form 1120S. Knowing these forms is your first step. Maximizing your deductions and credits is key to reducing your tax burden. Many common business expenses, such as office supplies, rent, and employee wages, are fully deductible. Don't forget to explore various tax credits that can directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, not just your taxable income. Keeping meticulous records of all your expenditures will help you claim every eligible deduction and credit. Once you have prepared your return, the next step is filing and payment. You can submit your tax return electronically, which is often the quickest method, or send it by mail. Ensure all payments are made by the deadline to avoid penalties. Remember to keep thorough records of all your tax documents for at least 3 years, as this is crucial for any future audits or inquiries. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.